We are officially UBC affiliates. I'm super excited. I finally got my affiliate link and I'm going to show you exactly how I went about this. So this is of course the UBC classroom, and I just went ahead and typed affiliate at the top, but if you go down here you can see your how to get your affiliate link module, as well as all the rest of the modules that you are available for you to learn from in UBC. Absolutely amazing. So of course, depending on which host you have selected, I went for Beacons.ai because I think there's so much that you can do with a free version, and we're trying to keep cost to a minimum for now, but I think the paid version starts at £10 as well, which isn't too bad, well, especially compared to Standstill, which I think starts at 20 something pounds. So this is why I decided to go for Beacons.ai. So once you click on Beacons, this form comes up, and you essentially just fill out your details and click register at the bottom. It takes you to the next page where you get your link, or you get your link in your email as well. You can do this on your computer or you can do this on your phone. I actually filled out my details on my phone. It will require you to create a Beacons.ai page. Of course, remember your username because it's going to ask you for it. So if you don't have an account with Beacons already, you can go ahead and click the link in my bio and click on make your own Beacons. You should be able to, it's pretty straightforward to make yourself an account. It is also going to ask you for your school username, so make sure you have that, although it does give you instructions on how to get your school username. And then last but not least, all you have to do now is put your signature and you're registered. You can go ahead and get your link, which is going to be on the next page when you click here to go to the next step. This does actually give you a few options on how you can set up your payments. You can either do the 3 months or you can do the full payment. It's entirely up to you. So this is just going to prompt you to log into your Beacons.ai account. It's pretty straightforward from here on. As soon as you log in, your UBC does show up on the screen, as you can see here, and all you've got to do is just click on add product to add it to your link in bio. So it says unlisted here, which means we still need to add it to our digital products and save, which means it becomes live on our page and it is ready for you to go ahead and promote. So this here shows that we are live and ready. Link in bio is ready and good to go. So I said we're starting over from scratch. So as you can see here, I have zero sales made and 0 earnings, and same as with DWA as well. I do have my TikTok account connected to this so I can see where all my traffic is coming from. I will be connecting my Pinterest here. I'm not sure if I can, but I think it is possible. So I'm going to be doing a video on how to do that as well. But if you want to follow along on this journey with me, then please give me a follow. If you're interested in starting digital marketing, you just want to be able to promote courses as an affiliate without having to do too much and setting things up for yourself, then feel free to send me a message and I can tell you what my experience is with either of these courses. I'm going to be breaking down the main differences between these courses, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Also, make sure that you do catch me on my next live.